Welcome everyone to HFN, where we trade different. Today is December the 9th, 2019. Here to give you all, of course, the news by the charts. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and how one crypto analyst is talking about a major Bitcoin breakout in the next 3 days. Yes, I said it. They actually have given us a timing of when they expect Bitcoin to break out in the next 3 days from the date of this article, which is today, December the 9th, 2019. Thank you all for coming to this particular channel. If you guys appreciate the content, as always, subscribe to this channel, like and share the video, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website at HueFinancial.com in order to get more of our price predictions, our number one source of giving you price movement before the market actually does it. You need to go to our website in order to participate and see those type of predictions before the market actually moves. So now, here we are. This is from the Daily Huddle with the title. Okay, get this. Crypto analyst calls big Bitcoin breakout in 3 days. That is what the title reads, which was uploaded to the internet today, as a matter of fact. And I felt like I would definitely have to look at this article to see if the price chart is giving us the same type of sentiment. All right. Last time we did our video for Bitcoin, as a matter of fact, was about 2 or 3 days ago, with the anticipation of Bitcoin moving to the downside. So our forecast in the market for Bitcoin is the continuation of movement of lower prices. This analyst is looking for Bitcoin to break out in 3 days. We are going to find out which one is correct. So now a little bit further down this article, like I stated, a crypto analyst with the title, The Crypto Mist, says that Bitcoin may be poised for a big breakout. In a series of tweets to her 43,000 followers on Twitter, she has 43,000 people who follows her. She states that Bitcoin appears to be in an ascending triangle and could break out in a matter of days. A possible ascending triangle, and I read this in quotations, a possible ascending triangle to look out for, like I have been saying for the past week and a bit. I am favoring longs right now. However, possibility of one or more move down for bears. They always have to throw in the hypothetical if, ands, or buts possibles in their particular situation. For us, we are giving you a biased direction as to what we're noticing in the market at a particular moment in time. So she's telling her people on Twitter, the ones who follow her, that Bitcoin is going to break out based off an ascending triangle pattern. For us, patterns are meant to be broken. They are not meant to be followed and or trusted. They are simply as a placeholder of what the market is anticipated to do in the future. So we don't place a lot of faith in patterns. Obviously she does. She has targets, which was from last week. They remain the same. 7,700 first, 8,450 next, and then $9,400 not long now. So here is her price chart that she utilized for a breakout in 3 days. December 8th was when this occurred. So on December the 11th, between the 8th and the 11th, she's expecting the market in Bitcoin to break out. 276 people loved that tweet. So hopefully her analysis is correct, because many people are looking forward to that breakout to occur in 3 days. Meanwhile, the Daily Huddle has to give you the other side of the trade. There is another analyst who goes by the name Magic is far more bearish. Although the analyst agrees that Bitcoin may move to the upside in the short term, Magic tells his crew of 31,000 followers that the leading cryptocurrency will remain locked in a retracement for the foreseeable future. And this is what he writes, and I quote, Bitcoin and the others may try for an upside breakout in the coming days. However, If Bitcoin puts in yet another lower high, it is likely break down below the recently contested critical support at 7250. We may see a short-term reversal, but Bitcoin remains in a bear market downtrend. This is one of the things that I love about cryptocurrencies and trading in journals, that you get to see everyone's interpretation of the market and what they expect a particular instrument to do. One is looking for Bitcoin to break out. The other one is saying that you can have a movement to the upside, but then the market in Bitcoin is still in a downtrend. But understand that the truth always lies on the price chart. So what we're going to do, just for you, we are going to look at the price chart to see which of these two crypto analysts for Bitcoin is actually correct, because the price chart does not lie. Point blank and period. End of that statement. It's always showing you the truth. So now let's go ahead and stop this, and we're going to talk about Bitcoin and what we're noticing in the market for this currency. So like the Crypto Miss said or wrote in her Twitter post, is that Bitcoin is trading in an ascending triangle. But what is one of the things that you notice that she maybe is not cognizant of, is that resistance is coming in around $7,600 and ultimately $78. The market continually shows you on many daily price bars that the market is finding that as a very hard resistance area. Our analysis, as you can tell, which was produced on the 7th of December, we were looking for the market in Bitcoin to move lower. And as of this particular moment, Bitcoin is moving to the downside. We told you that there is a chance that the market in Bitcoin will try to hold that ascending line. It's trying to do it right now. But given the fact that we started the day out in trading in Bitcoin, trying to break above $7,600 and we're being unsuccessful, that movement and breakage below that ascending line is ever increasing. We're still seeing indications in the market that Bitcoin is weak and the movement to the downside is still in play. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on an hourly chart real quick. And you can tell right there on that last 4-hour bar that it still tells you that the weakness in the market in Bitcoin is stronger than the strength at this particular moment. So our original analysis stands as is, and we are in the court of magic on that previous article. He's seeing the market in Bitcoin moving to the downside. We are too, according to the price chart. The price chart does not lie, and we're looking for this market in Bitcoin to continue its progressional movement lower. We're going to hold right here around $7,200 for support. In the market in Bitcoin, I can see around 7,300 for sure as well. So just keep your eyes open on both of those locations, because the market in Bitcoin can definitely hold those areas for support. But nevertheless, the movement to the downside is still in play. Real quick, looking at Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame before I move on. Yes, the market in Bitcoin was a wash last week. Plain and simple. The buyers kind of edged out a little bit better than the sellers in the market for last week, but they didn't overcome anything meaningful. Okay, $7,600 all the way up there to that resistance of 78 is still garnered as resistance. Our position in the market in Bitcoin of movement lower will not change until we see that breakout above $7,800, which we are not getting at this particular moment. So at least on the daily time frame, we're expecting the market in Bitcoin to see some lower prices. We have pinpointed $7,300 for our TP location, maybe even 72. All right. So this is it. We just simply came and updated you all from our previous video for Bitcoin on the 7th of December. And we haven't changed it. The market in Bitcoin is still giving us weakness and the anticipation of lower prices. Questions, comments, as always, join us, leave us a comment, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and then on our website. If you guys want to make sure to get the trusted price prediction information, you have to follow us on those many social media platforms, including our website. You're not going to get this anywhere else without being confused. Make sure you always maintain your profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.